A massive storm is currently hitting the region. I live on the top floor and really have to be afraid that the roof will collapse. So I decided to avoid going outside and make a video instead. That's why I'm on the Midjourney website now. There's a new feature, which you can see in the navigation on the left. The Personalize section. I haven't used this function yet. So let's do a deep dive and see how it works and what exactly happens. We're already on it, but I'll see you on the website in a moment. Here we are again on the Midjourney website. This is a bit of a self-experiment. You'll see, as I've just mentioned earlier, there's a new navigation option called Personalize in the top left-hand corner. I'll now try to advance my personalization a little. I have 85 out of 200 rankings so far. After that, I'll get a free fast hour. And we'll see what happens. It's supposed to take about 4 minutes, but of course I won't be chatting the whole time during the tutorial. I'll just do it. Once I've done that, you'll get to see what happens in the end. So let's get started. Start teaching. Okay, that means I obviously have to choose which picture I like better. This looks nice and colorful. I'm already at 99. It's starting to work. Now let's do the whole thing really quickly. There are some pictures where you might say, well, why do you have to rate this? Where am I? At 151. 50 pictures to go. Please be patient. I once said that I don't really find the topic of personalization that exciting because I always want my images to look different, adapted to the situation, so to speak. But I'm just going to go through with it to see the end result. I also need the free fast hour because I've been doing too much prompting recently. That'll help me a lot. There are some creepy images here. What's that weird thing? I don't need that. This is good. Monkey. That's good. The seahorse is beautiful. Beautiful face. A railroad picture. Tattoo. Picture of snow. You have unlocked personalization. So, what do I have to press here now? Done. Okay, that means I'll give it a try now. It says 1 free fast hour earned. Very good. I obviously can continue working on this and train Midjourney even further. But I don't need to do that right now. I hope Midjourney now knows what I prefer based on those ugly pictures. But I'll just give it a try. And now we're back on the Midjourney website. This is what I can see when I enter the Personalize section. The function is already activated. You get an additional free fast hour if you rate another 300 images. This takes about 10 minutes. You can really go full throttle and earn free fast hours. So far, it has been a relatively meager video, meaning the flow of information has been relatively narrow. Of course, that's not what we want. I want you to get something valuable from this tutorial. So let's review the Personalize function. The 2 ways you can turn this function on or off. There's this burger menu at the top right of the navigation panel. Just click on it. Here you can switch the function on or off. I'll leave it off for now. Or click on Personalize, here where I showed you earlier. I can make further personalizations here, up to level 2. I don't even know how many levels there are. When I click here, I just turn the function on and off. This means that you can simply activate the function when you need it. I've already prompted a few examples. Just like Midjourney suggested. These are obviously the results of various users using the prompt person. I did that too. The first prompt with my personalization piffniggle, or whatever it's called. You can also use this code yourself. This creates some sort of image collage. Then I tried it without the personalization. It creates these frontal images with patterns, black and white. Then I repeated it to check whether it really works. In the early phase of personalization, where I only rated a few images, Midjourney probably can't yet determine what the user is interested in. But somehow you can see that there is a pattern here. The color red and green is introduced. A little more monochrome here. Here it's gray. Here it's green. Apparently I liked that, according to Midjourney. Then I rerun it to really challenge the AI. As you can see above, I skipped my personalized code. The results look very similar to those in the second row. They are somehow anonymous images, whereas the pictures that were created with my personalization have a certain character. Of course, it would be a shame if every image looked identical at some point thanks to the character. I am not yet able to make a final assessment of this function, however. I am not yet active enough using this function. But if you want an opinion from me, thumbs up. It's certainly a lot of fun to find your own style. I hope this brief insight has been useful to you. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and recommend it to others. Thank you very much for listening. See you soon. Your channel, AI. Now you know.